Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to blur on Picsart. To get started, let's open Picsart. Make sure Picsart is installed on your device. Now this will show you this interface. Now here click on the background. Choose one background. Now as you can see, click on the sticker icon. It will navigate you to this interface. Now click on search icon. Now in the search bar, search for blur. Now here you can see there is many options, so you can click on any of it. So in this way you can make blur on your Picsart. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.